All right, we're going to get ready to start. We're starting with the heavy weights. You're going to hear a little buzz, and then we'll have 10 seconds to get those weights. So that would be it. Grab your heavy weights. We're going to be doing 30 seconds on and 10 seconds of rest. So you're going to have to move pretty quickly between. All right, alternating squats. So remember, you can go down low or you can go down halfway. No matter what you're doing, you have those heels pressed into the floor. Stomach is tight when you stand up, and you're keeping the quads tight on the way down, standing as tall as you can in between each rep. Now, you don't have to go fast on this because this is strength. Here we go. We have time for a few more, always when they're good. All right, so that means I'm going to finish the other side. We have 10 seconds. We're going to an alternating front lunge with a row. So let's begin. Step and stop, row, come back. Our main focus here is the row, so you don't have to go deep into that lunge. You do not want to hit your knee, of course. So step and hold. You should be able to see your toe and your heel, and keep those dumbbells nice and wide, up and down. You're getting those elbows as high as you can, so you can really squeeze across the upper back. Good. Whoop. One more. Let's grab that other leg real quick, and then we're going into shuffle and tap. So drive it back, put those weights down. Shuffle tap is either two big steps fast or low, or shuffle, shuffle, and tap. So the tap is either tapping the floor or just getting low into a squat. Whichever way helps you. Now you can also speed this up. If you want to go faster than I'm going, fine. If you need to go slower, that's fine too. It's just quality, and we will be doing them twice. Keep it going. All right, back to the center. Grab your weights, heavy weights, of course. We have the narrow row. Shoulders back and down, legs slightly bent, tip, and row. So it's going to give you a chance to catch your breath a little bit. Your fingers are light on the dumbbell. Shoulders pull away from your ears. You're squeezing the back, right in the shoulder blades, holding it for a second, and then going down. Keeping your back tight the whole time. Squeeze. Keep it real tight in the back. We got about 3 seconds. One more time. Perfect. Straighten it up. We're going right back to the alternating squats. Wait for the bell to ring. Yeah, we'll want that rest later. All right, so alternating squats with the dumbbells. Now you are squatting on both legs. Don't try to push more off on one or the other. Naturally, you will come up on one, but your squat should be even. Remember your posture in the middle. Nice and strong, driving through those heels. Good, we're going to stop in the center. Perfect timing. Next is the alternating front lunge with the wide row. Hey, let's start if we can. Nothing hurts doing a couple seconds early, right? And back. So again, another one that you might want to practice when you're on the off day. Hold. That heel presses into the floor. Shoulders stay away from your ears. Dumbbell stays outside your leg. Squeeze and down, keeping your back tight as much as possible. Remember, the back is key to that metabolism, so you better feel the back, not the shoulders or the arms. Finish this leg. Good, and then we're going to set that down for our shuffle tap. So remember your options. Level 1, big steps. Level 2 can do deeper, and level 3 can take out the middle and tap down. You can always start with level 1, try a couple level 3, go back to level 1. It's all about progression. You don't want to do a level that you're not ready for, but you can always try 1 or 2 reps of it. That's how you know you can progress. Here we go, last one. Ooh, we're getting good at this timing. So now we get to catch our breath with the row. Shoulders back and down, knees bent. Tip it over and pull. You're trying to touch your elbows to the ceiling while keeping those shoulders away from your ears. Squeezing the middle of the back right along the spine. Exhaling as you go up. If you need to make it more challenging, just talk the whole time like I am. We've got 10 seconds, so squeeze. See, it's nice and slow. Don't squeeze the dumbbell, it's just your back. One more. Good. And you can set those down. Whew, that's round one. Okay, keeping your body nice and straight. And let's get the other side, and we'll be ready to go. Good, hold it. You can always stop and do the stretch at any time too. Down it goes. All right, we are warmed up and ready to begin.